Hey guys, it's Fusion Kid here. Today we're going to be taking a more detailed look at the new inventory on the lot this week. This one was certainly a standout in the sneak peek video, a 1969 Chevy Pro Street Chevelle, priced at $37,900. We're going to be taking a more detailed look inside and out. And if you want to be sure this ride is still available, go to maplemotors.com, click on inventory. Let's get started. Up front, this Chevelle features SS emblems, a dual bulge hood, and clean chrome bumpers and trim. Now let's get to the real highlight of this ride. Under the hood, you're going to find a big block 454 with Brodix aluminum heads, MSD ignition, an electric water pump, aluminum accessories, and an aluminum radiator. Exhaust flows through the headers in a dual Flowmaster setup. All that power is delivered through an automatic transmission with a reverse manual valve body and trans brake. You'll also find power steering, power disc brakes, and several other performance upgrades. Now here's what really makes this ride stand out is the staggered 15-inch aluminum Weld wheels with massive 31 by 18.5 by 15 Hoosier Pro Street radials on the back. Tinted windows on the interior, you're going to find ProCar bucket seats, a TCI shifter, Dakota Digital VHX gauges, a billet steering wheel, and of course a roll bar. Moving to the rear, the car is fully back-halved and tubbed, featuring ladder bar rear suspension with coilovers and a narrow 9-inch rear end. This car is a beast. Once again, a 1969 Chevy Pro Street Chevelle, priced at $37,900. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be featuring more in-depth videos of all the new inventory on the lot. I'll be putting out videos just about every day, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.